Hi guys, I hope you all are doing so fine. Welcome back to Ignite India Education. Today in this video, we are gonna do something really very interesting, believe me. And I think this question I just enjoy so much because there is like a lot of brainstorming in it, lot of thinking in it. So today we are gonna solve a memory drawing question. You can call it a composition drawing too. So I'm going to solve one question in front of you right now, and we are going to see different aspects of it. Even I'm solving it for the first time, so let's just see how the process goes. And I hope you will enjoy the video and just try to learn something from it. These questions will come according to the current situations which are going on, and you know what is going on right now, which is this. So this can become an ultimate topic for you all. So relate to everything which happened in pandemic and just try to remember everything which was going on in these months. So the question which I made today for you all is, you are standing in a medical shop to buy a medicine in this pandemic. How will you do it? And I wish after watching this video, composition drawing would become a piece of cake for you. So let's just start with it. So this is our block, and I think you're gonna be given this kind of block only. Like I drawn it like 7.5 inches to 7.5 inches. Let me just write what all things I see in pandemic. Distance, mask, which is very important. Some people can wear face shields. People started using face shields when it was like the corona infections were on peak. And we can see the round things which are like this kind of to stand in distance. So I'm gonna start my work now. We are gonna create that scene in a movement. So let me just draw a man's hand. We are gonna shade it later. So this is gonna be round. If you're not sure how to hold a phone, just start thinking like this is your hand and you're holding a phone. So your phone will be here. So you're getting it? This is the person I am. So this is the thing which I drew, which is Arogya Setu app. A person is using Arogya Setu app. You know, this was like so trending, that not trending actually, but this was so in need that time. So people used to see every time they used to go somewhere, like if they are going to a market, they will see how many people are infected in that area. So this is an important thing. And I'm gonna draw a person's shirt who is standing very far from me. You know, this is a trick. Like you can, if you're not sure to draw a human, like how to draw a face, things and all, so you can draw his back. I learned this trick when I was giving my examinations, and it was so interesting. Start wherever you want. Like it's not a necessary thing that you need to draw yourself first and then draw something else. You can show a circle like that here. It's showing that the man is standing on that circle. And if you want, you can add face shield, which people use. And you can write premium. These brands are there. You can show these small details. This is what they're gonna see. So don't miss on that. I'm not drawing it in detail, not even coloring it, just showing an idea how to solve a composition question. Now I'm gonna draw the shop here. I will draw a person, one more person here in this circle. So you will not be able to see that person that much, but his face would be here somewhere. So we'll draw his shirt like this, like he's wearing a t-shirt, and his hands, and he's standing like that. Okay, so you are just looking, it's from the eye level of that person, so you're looking at just the things. The circle you are standing on will not be seen because you are seeing in the front. So this will be like hair. I'm not gonna shade it too much because that's gonna look very bad right now. So the shopkeeper is giving medicines. The table, I have seen many people putting tables here and then they keep the medicines here, like the packet, and the person has to pick it up and just take it home. And this side the person would be moving, so I'm gonna see a person. So I have made a bag here with that. As we cannot see the name of the shop, I'm gonna just write Ram Medico, so that there should be one thing that she came from the medicine shop. A strap like that which say distance. Now I'm again here drawing one more shop. Or here what you can do is just make a board like this, which is in the long, which is far from you, and it says, just make a random board and it's written here Ram Medicals, and you can draw an arrow like that if you want. Like we can add certain things in it, like if you want to be particular that Ram Medicals is here and like that. So make a circle like that bigger, and if you want to color, just color it red or yellow if you have seen like people walking. And now some road textures you can give like that, and just complete this. Oh, I forgot to complete this lady. What if we haven't drawn these girl? It would have been like so difficult because mask to dikhana zaruri hai, and mask dikhane se hi we can like see that people are there in this pandemic. And Arogya Setu, there are like many features showing this is the pandemic scene and corona thing is going on. Stay safe. You can write a board here saying stay safe, like that, distance, maintain distance. We have added many features and I think that is enough. So if you're creating like this, maintain the distance, perspective little bit, and human figures, heights, proper thing. So this thing you need to maintain, and yeah, you will be all done for it. I hope you found this video so interesting. It was interesting for me too, and I wish you try to solve more memory drawing questions like this. Try to make questions according to you. You can make questions according to your creativity. Try to solve it. If you have any doubts, comment below, like the video, share the video to your friends and your study groups, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. I'll meet you next time.